Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these really simple applique flowers. They're very easy to make and you can tie them or sew them onto any of your projects like hats or headbands, bags, etc. So we're going to start by making the magic ring. This is how I make mine. I grab my yarn between my fingers. I take the yarn and twist it up to make a loop. I pinch that loop between my fingers. Now I insert my hook from the front and grab my yarn, turn my hook down and pull it through the loop. That's our magic ring. So we're going to start on our petals. Each petal consists of chain 3, 3 triple crochets and chain 3. So we're going to make our chain 3, 3 triple crochets. To triple crochet you want to yarn over twice, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn and pull through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. Our second triple crochet, yarn over twice, into the ring, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And the last triple crochet, yarn over twice, into the ring, grab your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over the next 2 loops, and yarn over through the last 2 loops. So these are our 3 triple crochets, and we're going to complete the petal by chaining 3 again and then slip stitching into the ring. To slip stitch you want to insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn and pull through, and then turn your hook down and pull straight through the loop on your hook. That completes our first petal. So you can make 5 or 6 petals or as many as you like. I'm going to stick with 5. I think that's a nice look. So to start our second petal, again we're going to chain 3, and then we make 3 triple crochets into the ring. So yarn over twice, that's our first one. Second one, third one, and to complete the petal again, we're going to chain 3 and slip stitch into the ring. So again, to slip stitch you insert your hook, grab your yarn and pull through, and just pull straight through the loop on your hook. That's our second petal. If you're running out of space, just bunch the stitches together to free some space for your subsequent petals. So I'm going to carry on. I'm going to make 3 more petals and I'll see you at the end of the round. So I'm just about to complete my 5th petal. I've done my triple crochets and I've chained 3, and I'm just going to slip stitch into the ring for the last time. So now we're done. So you want to grab your scissors, leave a bit of a tail, and just pull through the last loop like so. That's our flower done. You want to grab your tail end from the magic ring, give it a little pull, and our flower is complete. So depending on what you want to do with it, either leave your tails long if you're sewing it onto your other project, or just grab your darning needle and hide the ends inside of the stitches on the reverse side. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.